Hello student, today I will going to explain reflection of light. Before starting this topic, let's revise some basic concepts related to the reflection of light. And this reflection of light, this topic is very important for 10th and 12th standard also. Now let's consider xy be the reflecting surface on which I draw MO is the normal which is incident or which is intersect at point O on xy reflecting surface. Now let's consider light is coming and incident on this reflecting surface at point O. Now this is light ray, this is PO light ray which is called as incident ray. Now the angle is formed here. This angle is called as incidence angle. This angle is denoted by I, small I. Now here I is incidence angle. Now how to define incidence angle here? This is the angle between incident ray and the normal. The angle between incident ray and the normal is called as angle of incidence. Okay, and the remaining angle is from here, which is angle between incident ray and reflecting surface is called as glancing angle. This is denoted by small g. Now by the reflecting surface, when incident ray incident on reflecting surface at point O, this light ray get reflect like this OQ. This is reflected ray and the angle is formed here. This angle is called as reflecting angle. Now how to define reflecting angle here? The angle between normal and reflected ray. Normal and reflected ray is called as reflecting angle. And the angle between incident ray and normal is called as incident angle. Now here, by the geometry of this figure, this remaining angle is also G. G means glancing angle, right? Now, by the law of reflection, now here, first law is the incident angle is equal to reflecting angle. Okay, means in reflection of light, incident ray obey the law of reflection when it incident on reflecting surface. First law is incidence angle is equal to reflecting angle. This is very important law. By using this law, let's take one example. Okay, now let's consider here reflecting surface, maybe mirror. This is the normal. If it is incident angle, I is here. And if this glancing angle is given to you, that is if 30 degree. If glancing angle is 30 degree, then what is the value of I? Means incidence angle is equal to question mark. Now, as we know that this, if it is the normal, then we know that if here is MO, the angle XOM is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because MO is the normal on this surface. So, angle I plus 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. So, angle I is equal to 90 minus 30. Angle I, answer is 60 degree. Okay, and by the law, that is I is equal to R, therefore angle R is also 60 degree. So to find the incidence angle and reflecting angle, we must know the law, that is I is equal to R. You can solve number of numericals depending on this law. Okay. One more example. Let's consider, here is same way reflecting surface, that is a xy. If I draw only incident ray like this PO, and this is reflected ray Q. Okay. If I given this angle only, same way here, if here is a 40 degree, then question is what is angle I and angle R. Now here, for this law, we have to draw normal on this xy reflecting surface like this. And by the law, this is incidence angle and this is reflecting angle. As we know, they are both are same. Therefore, and the angle the angle for normal is 90 degree. Therefore, here angle is, what is the angle? Here is 50 degree, right? 40 plus 50, that is the 90. Okay. If I is 50 degree, obviously R is equal to also 50 degree. Okay. This is all about the reflection of light from reflecting surface. Thank you.